All right, we have 500 US dollars and we're going to exchange them to be euros at a rate of 80 cents euro per dollar. So let's multiply this by 0.8, and that gives me 0, 0, 8 times 5 is 40. You got one decimal place, so that gives me 400 euros. And she spends 3/4 of them. So 3/4 of 400, 4 will go into 400, 100. That's going to give me, she spends $300 in euros, spends. So that means she brings home, that means she brings home 100 euros because she had $400 worth of euros. She spends $300 worth of euros. That means she comes home with $100 worth of euros, and she wants to convert those back to US dollars, and that's at a rate of 1.2. So multiply that by 1.2, 002, 001, add one decimal place. She's going to come home with 120 US dollars.